Good morning, beautiful ladies of my heart. Are you ready for the DIY cushion foundation extravaganza? Yeah, we're gonna make our own. This all stemmed from the L'Oreal debacle. They discontinued that cushion foundation. I absolutely loved it, so I thought, I am going to take L'Oreal's True Match in the same color, N4, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the Lumi. So the first thing you need to do, ladies, is to wash your hands and sterilize this stuff. So this one pushes out from the bottom. I sterilized this, my hands are clean, with alcohol swab. Now, a couple of videos they used an alcohol spray. Another one said to clean it with olive oil, but that didn't seem right to me. So I did wipe it clean with this alcohol swab. And then I took the little sponge that's going to soak up the makeup and I pressed it in and soaked it up. So you want it to be completely dry. You want the alcohol to evaporate. Then I have this cute little sponge that's sealed, so I don't have to worry about that. They sent me this spatula and a little tweezers to make my cushion foundation. Okay, so what we're going to do, ladies, is I am going to shake up my foundation. Okay, so what I understood is that you need to have this 2/3 the way full. So one lady said to do 25 pumps. So we're going to go with that first. First I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, that's a nice amount in there. So then I'm going to add a little bit of my Lumi, just a little bit. Oh, I got it all over. All right. And I mean just a drop. Watch. Yep, that's to start with because I just don't know. Less is more. You can always add later. Gosh, I'm making a mess already. All right, and then you take your little spatula and you mix it. It doesn't hardly look like a lot. You know, that's not 2/3. But it has covered the bottom. So I'm going to take, once you've got it nice and mixed, I got to wipe off the mess I got. Okay, whoop. All right, so before I do anything more, I'm going to take this, and I've prepped my skin, and I don't have any foundation on, so I'm going to try like this and see, because I'm pretty sure that color, yep. Okay, I don't know if it looks Lumi, looks just perfect to me. All right, so then you want to clean everything off, and then you want to take your sponge, and you want to put it in there, and push it down. And then you want to take the spatula and just keep pushing it until you get that foundation coming through. Yeah, they said one lady did this and she said she didn't have enough in there. And I watched another one that says it takes at least 15 minutes. So leave it be to let it soak up. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll be back once that's soaked up and we're going to see how it worked. Love ya. Okay, ladies, here I am back. This is what it's looking like. Fully absorbed. I also, during the 15 minutes, I took the spatula and pressed it flat. Make sure. Now I got to open my little sponge. I'm going to try it out. Alrighty. Your little sponge. I'm going to put it on my face. So I'm going to push it in once. That's what it's got on there, and now I'm gonna work it in, ladies. Got foundations, ladies, that you just want to mix with another one. You mix that concoction up and you don't have to do it every time. It'll just be done for you. Yep. How fun. How fun. So just remember, You want your foundation, whatever you're putting in there, to be 2/3, and then just add the other ingredients. Like I said, if you wanted to add a serum, a glow, a little sponge. I like to press in with my sponge. Make sure nothing's in the fine lines. L'Oreal True Match does not set in my fine lines. Okay. I didn't want to mix any sunscreen in with it because you need to put on sunscreen first. And if you wanted to mix a little in for a little extra protection, you can. Just remember, the majority has to be the foundation. So we have a success. We have created our own L'Oreal True Match Cushion Foundation with a little added bump to it. Tickleness. I am tickled. Cute little compact, isn't it? Just throw it in your purse. Oh my gosh. So I went off screen and I put on my NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in Buttercup. I think it's just beautiful. Then I took for a little wash of color, to give me a little glow. I took Milani's Coral Crush, and they're too cheeky, and applied that here. Beautiful. We've stumbled on something that's just fabulous. I mean, the possibilities are endless, ladies. I'm going to mix my number 7s together. I have 2 different colors. I have matte foundations that I could add a little drop of oil because my skin is dry. If you're oily, you wouldn't want to do that. And if you be careful, because it will separate your makeup just like the original Jones Rhodes did till they fixed it. Okay, so for primer today, I took e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer, and I mixed it with my Smashbox. I mixed them together, and I put that on my nose and where it was red, and then I took the rest of the Poreless Putty Primer and put it on the rest of my face. Pores look great. I tried this setting spray last video along with the Urban Decay's All-Nighter, and I thought they both did well. Well, that's 36, this is 15. So what I did after I applied my sunscreen and let it dry, then I sprayed this on my face, and then I let it dry a little bit and then put on my primer. All right, so now after I have all my foundation is done, I'm going to take it again, and I will come back later to let you know how well it wore, because it is going to be over 100 degrees. Which means it's just going to be unbearable. So it is not as hairspray as the L'Oreal 3-second one. And it dries quickly. It doesn't bother me at all. I mean, it's fantastic. And it's a small amount. This is 15, and this is quite a bit larger bottle. So shake it up good. Yeah. It's got a clean scent. Take my little sponge and pat it in. All right. I'm nice and set. I'm going to head off to the post office, and I'll be back at 6. It is 12:30, and let you see how this wore. I'll even run around outside a little bit too to give it a good test. Okay, ladies, I love you. See you soon. Hello, beautiful ladies of my heart. It's 6:10 p.m. Here I am. I made it through that hot, insane day. I did apply lip gloss again, and I did put some concealer where my glasses are because they just slide down my face. Foundation held up beautifully with this Revolution setting spray. My pores stayed lovely and minimized with e.l.f. As I said, I did mix in Smashbox for the green, but the majority of it was this. So I love Benefits. I love the Rare Beauty. I have some more to try as well. But for price-wise, budget-friendly, $10, this is a keeper. And this too, compared to the higher end Urban Decay, I think this stuff is amazing. I'm so excited about the Cushion Foundation, so I can make my own concoctions, have my own foundation that's going to be epic. So as little as 4 steps, you got your compact made. All right, ladies, I love you. I'll see you soon. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting like. I love you all. You are my sunshine.